excited. I'm super lit. It's lit. It's freaking lit. It's your girl TJ, it's your girl TJ, it's your girl TJ. Alright guys, let me stop. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you won't miss any of these episodes, okay? So we are on episode number 2. So yeah, today's episodes in my headband wig series, we do have UNice Hair. Today I'm going to be, installing this Waterwave headband wig. I threw this on and I'm ready to go out the door. So I did nothing to it at all. And if you guys want to see all of that, don't forget to stay tuned. So today's hair I do have is from UNice Hair. It's still in a box. Okay, so like I said, it's a headband wig. I'm super excited. I'm super lit. It's lit. It's freaking lit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright guys, so like I stated, it's a headband unit. I do only have one headband to show you guys. It was a mistake, I only got one, but you guys will be getting several headbands in the package. You'll get more than one, okay? But this one's cute. I love this one. This one's freaking cute, okay? So this is the headband, and I love it because it's like a tie-on one. Y'all, my head, I'm about to be out here like it. Also comes with the wig cap. Of course, you're gonna get your unit. Let me get the details, okay, so this one, like I said, this is the Waterwave headband wig. Okay, it is in 24 inches and the density is 150. Okay, so this is what she's looking like this. And look at that, y'all see how soft that looks? But this is a Waterwave wig, so of course you can add water on it. You could straighten it, you could blow dry it out if you want, but I'm not doing that. Okay, this is so pretty. It's so soft. I'm able to run my hands through it without, any tangling. Let me see if I'm getting shedding. Yes, I'm getting some strands of shedding though. Anyway, so this is the construction. This is the elastic, well, the Velcro portion, which you can snap on when you put your unit on. And then the back has a big comb as well. So yes, my head is big. It's not new, okay? Let's get over that. Okay, so we're gonna try it like this time. Before, I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm gonna try it like this to see how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip it up and out the way. Where are my clips? Where are the clips? Where are the clips? I'm gonna go ahead and clip it up like this so I can put the Velcro in. And my braids are dusty. Well, you might can see some dirt build up. Alright, so I think we got it on. This is what the regular headband looks like. It would look like this. Of course, none of my baby hairs would barely show because they up here, girl. They up here. But like I said, yeah, the way I put it on, I feel like the Velcro needed like more so it can snap around. So I won't just sit off like this because my head is tiny. It's tiny and big all at the same time. So that would be that. But this is how it would look if I would just leave it like this. Very cute. I love how flat it is though. They did make sure that, shoot, we don't want it bumpy and lumpy. This is cute. Hey girl, hey. But I noticed the way I got it on is leaning over my ears like this. You can push it back, like I said, you can. And this is the curls. I don't think I want to do too much to the curls because I really like the curl pattern that it's in. So okay, so let's see what the headband looks like. guys, so this is how the unit is looking like. This is a throw on and type of go video. Okay, this episode, that's what I did here, was just throw it on and go. I did not put any water in it. I did not put no mousse in it. These curls are how they came, so this is how you receive your unit. So I'm ready to go out the door. However, I did show you guys the styles without me adding water and things like that. But this is my favorite style at this moment because I love it. But I feel like this is cute. Like, I feel like it's cute. Like, if I had this in high school, I would be satisfied. I'm satisfied. I'm cute every day, all day. Okay, so yeah, I love this wig. Like I said, this is just my first time wearing it, so I haven't added water, I haven't did any of that jazz. So this is what it's giving me. Like I said, I tried to finger detangle this unit early on in the beginning of the video, and I received no tangling but a few shedding, minor shedding. Like I said, I haven't detangled the unit yet, so I'm sure when I go in for the first time to detangle it, I will get some shedding, more shedding as well. But it's nothing to worry about. This unit is super duper cute. I love it as is, y'all. I literally did nothing. Like, I did nothing. Nothing. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. Like, what? Wait, you can look this cute quick? Yes, sis. Yes. So super excited that UNice came out with this. I love the density on this unit. It's nice and full and thick. Like, sis, like, this is cute. This is just cute. I'm loving it. I'm trying to make sure I covered everything. Only thing I would have to say that I did not like was the Velcro. If they would extend the Velcro on the back section so it can lay flat instead of flapping off in the back, that would be good, because I feel like you cannot put it up in a ponytail unless your head is that big. If your head is that big, then you'll be fine because it'll lay flat. But if not, and you have to use the end of Velcro like I did, you're gonna have to buy a headband that's gonna secure that in the back. Right now I tucked it into this plaid headband I got on, so you can't see it, but it's just, no, it's just like I would need a bigger headband to put it up in a ponytail. So that would be my only con that I didn't like, was the Velcro, how it just flaps off and it doesn't fit securely around. That way it hides the wig in the back. The back of the wig. So yeah, I really enjoyed. Let me know what you guys thought. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.